What's up? I Discover back with another video. This time I'm gonna be summarizing the other two lakes that I don't mention as much as the Haru Lake. The other two lakes, meaning these two lakes right here, symbolizes Osiris and symbolizes the throne, and the vulture symbolizes Isis. So we just started off with this right here symbolizes Osiris. So we're gonna be going to the Osiris hieroglyphics. Immediately we see this right here. Symbolizes the throne, the eye over the throne. Um, Osiris was depicted as being green. Of course, he's depicted as being black also. Um, and his wife Isis. As you can see on this depiction, Isis has the thorn on her headdress. She also wears the thorn on her headdress. And people can say, you only show me illustrations. I have one right here with it's on the wall. What does it say? One of the oldest and simplest form of the name is the hieroglyphic of the eye over the throne. Eye over the throne. So this means the throne, but it has to also mean Osiris. Osiris must be the king of kings. You know, um, looking at this, it's just amazing work. Like my other videos, you know, uh, you know, Haru, although I'm not talking about him in this video, you know, I want people to be able to see it. You can see this image right here. You can visualize this image and go back to that. You can always find that. But we're moving on to the Vulture Lake. This lake is 3 miles long and a little over a mile wide. Just amazing work right here, and you can see how it goes into the Gulf of Mexico. Like I said in my earlier videos, I believe these lakes are older than the Gulf of Mexico. And if we go to Isis images, you see an image, she has the vulture on her hairdress. So it's obvious Isis has definitely more than one headdress. The vulture right here. Just amazing work, the lakes. You can see up here depictions of her with the throne on her head, symbolizing her husband. Yeah, and the lake is located in this place called La Azucena, which translates into the lily. So I think these are lilies in this lake that make this look white. And this right here, El Yucateca, where the head is located, the head lake of Haru, the Yucatan, that's what that translates into. And this translates into El Barro, the Barro. It don't translate into it don't translate into anything. But like I said, this is a short video about the Vulture Lake and the symbol that symbolizes the throne and Osiris. Um, there's so many videos that could be done for this particular city or area, but I just wanted to make a video of his own for these two symbols, and just like I said, keep bringing the information out there. I discover eventually the whole world gonna mention me, and your eyes won't believe what your mind can't conceive. I discover. Peace.